So I am at Magic Kingdom. We're actually in Liberty Square right now. I am going to my Tiana cast preview. I've already checked in downstairs in the tunnels, and I'm so excited. I actually haven't been back this way in like a really, really long time, so I'm so excited. So excited. I've deliberately not come down this way, so that way it's a nice grand reveal. So I'm very excited right now. All the different spices. This is back after Mardi Gras. A little shop. Cute. Oh my goodness. Event entrance. Tiana's Bayou. Here we go. Oh, that must be where the wait times are gonna be.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, the AC kicked in. There was like no AC anywhere else. TNT storage. Chili pepper.
Alright, let's see what we got. Alright. Cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 4 teaspoons baking soda, 4 teaspoons salt, 4 teaspoons nutmeg, a cup buttermilk, nutmeg, 3 cups water, 1 egg beaten, 4 tablespoons or teaspoons vanilla extract, vegetable oil for frying.
Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. Oh good, you don't get splashed here anymore. Lewis!
Yo, any fans down here? Come out, wherever you are.
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go.
Mama Odie! That was fun. My band is lighting up.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here.
So cute.
They're the bees and me. I would love for y'all to plant my party.
That's what we did.
Searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Gator butt. Oh my gosh. Froggy.
Talent everywhere. If you dig down deep enough.
Here we go. That was fun. Where's Tiny? Oh, there's water.
These tiny musicians you sound really, really sweet.
Mama, Odie. I'm soaked and I'm in the second row. They kept the waterfall.
What a land. Yo, be careful with my beignets, you bad boy.
So that would be the gift shop. We got popsicles. Disney free food popsicles. Yay! I wonder if they'll let us go again. Probably not. That was so much fun. Oh, so much fun. So I did. I'm gonna use the other arm. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was so much fun. It's a beautiful, beautiful attraction. It is gorgeous. I thought the attractions looked creepy in the like preview picture stuff that they had been sending. They don't look as bad as I thought in real life. You get to see, they have a lot. I thought it was going to be all new music. It is music from the movie, which I'm happy. I got to listen to all my favorite songs. I'm trying to think. It's very similar to Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain was my favorite ride, and it's so funny riding it because I'm like, oh, I remember this part, I remember this part, I remember this part. So it was weird for me to like take my brain out of it. But I had the same thing with Frozen Ever After as well. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed our Bayou adventure.